Oh yeah, my people, ahead. Make we the fire the go. Which number will we dey now? We are making progress. Okay, the angle number E, question E, see I'm here. This E here, they talk about the angle, see the angle theta between vector A and B. Anytime when they say make you find angle theta, now be the angle theta between vector A and B. I beg, see the formula I want make you use. Don't forget this formula. May I show you quick. May I show you before you go forget. Angle. If you define the angle theta, remember saying now the angle between the two vector, which one be the vector A, this one as CO, cos theta will be equal to the formula. They very simple. You go use vector A dot, now the dot product, one of the property of dot product, vector A dot vector B divided by the magnitude of vector A. You go to say hard because you just see them for the first time. Some of you don't see them before, but just a reminder for you. Just see them like this. Normally the standard be say, if I get this particular one, I feel make this and the subject of formula. See am like I feel make the vector A dot vector B equal to cross multiply this one to the angle. That means this one times this angle will give us the absolute value. I don't know, I like absolute value where the magnitude of vector A multiplied by the magnitude of vector B times the cos of angle theta. If you use this one, carry remember them. If you know if you use them, use this one, remember. Me mostly now this one they carry remember. We just say vector A dot vector B equal to the magnitude of vector A times the magnitude of vector B cos theta. Then I can make this one the subject of formula by dividing both sides by this one. Can come here. But if you remember this one, fine for you. Fine. You can ask yourself, okay, what will be the answer we will get for this one? So that means say if they not find this one before, it means say you go start to the solve for this one afresh. Start to solve this one before you will finally get the angle. Remember now angle they find or theta, now be waiting they find. No be cos theta, now they find, but now the formula with this will connect all of them. So now you ask yourself now, magnitude of vector A dot magnitude of vector B. We don't find this one before. Yes. Waiting be the answer we get 20. See am now. See am A dot B. So if maybe we never find them before, see how you go take find them. Carry vector A, write them out, dot vector B, write them out, then multiply and follow this process, get the final answer. In case if the question we never find them before, you understand now what you go do with that. So yeah, I can get cos theta equal to the answer for the numerator now 20 divided by this denominator. We don't find them before. Yes. Now you know, but me I remember see for magnitude of vector A and the one for B, make we go find them. Sharp. See the one of vector B, see now 14 where we get. See the one for vector A, magnitude of vector A, see now be the square root of 29. So I go use this one and this one, square root of 29 times square root of 14. Make you write them here. Square root of 29. Somebody go come ask me, instructor, why we no write the one for the decimal points now? Wetin happen to that one? Nothing happen. If you still use that one, sabi ask question. He go fit still use that one, nothing happen. But I won't put everything together and I make I dey do am like this. Just mean anything. If you do am the way your spirit tell you, like use that first value. If you check the square root of this, multiply by the square root of this, it will give you the answer. Use and divide 20 by this one, you go still give you. Me I too dey like stress. I know say na wetin you go talk. No wahala, I agree. At least you dey understand the class. According to SOD now, this square root now, I go take am as one general square root and then multiply 29 times 14. 29 times 14, I be now 4, make I confirm more. Plan na 406. Yeah, I no dey sure. 29 times 14. Wetin I get for my calculator here na 406. My brain dey hot too. So if you check the square root of 406, wetin give me here for my calculator? So it means cos theta. Now like the way they solve it, now exactly how you go solve them for exam, step by step. Make you get your full mark. I tell you say they get distinction. Now all these things that they do step by step, make they know say I no copy from anybody. Now make they produce them 20.149441. Leave and make I write and plenty like that. Now finally come say cos theta now. Cos theta now go be cos theta. Make I take an up small. Cos theta now go be equal to wetin be 20 divided by that answer where you get. wetin I get for my calculator now na 0 point. Confirm o, dey follow me dey point, you no dey copy, I no dey give you note make you dey copy o, I dey teach you. Dey follow me dey do am. So 0.9925 make I stop am for 8. Now na cos theta I get o, no be the angle. Some people go stop here. If you stop here, you're on your own. How you wan take get the theta? Just tell them say theta now wey you wan find, na that theta now go be equal to cos inverse like this of this number 0.99258. I know some people go say how you take get this cos inverse? You just be like say they divide both sides by cos, then cos and cos go cancel, remain theta wey right here. So since this one dey up, cos dey down, na the same thing as carry cos come up make e come dey here. So if cos dey come up, e go change to -1 because wetin dey get na 1 over cos. So if e come up now, e go become cos inverse. If you do negative index for indices, you go know say a to the power of -1 na the same thing as 1 over a. Na the rule I carry do am be that. So you see say why you no dey. How you want to get this cos inverse? Just press on your calculator, press shift, then press cos. You go see that sign go come out. That's the sign of that cos inverse. Then point that value 1.99258. And I say you go say you no get calculator. That one you do yourself. So what you get here now 6.9. You go write approximate value 6.98. Make you use 4 approximately. Some people will get as 3, or make I put 40 or 41. If you get your own at 6.9825, depending on when you start to the approximate and all that, the small difference, the degrees. If they say make you put down for one place of decimal, or maybe 2 places of decimal, if you put down 6.98, you understand? This one name be the angle where they say make you find angle between vector A and B. Name be this one where you get. So tell me if this one sweet. Follow am step by step the way I don guide you. You no go ever get problem at all. Rehearse this thing no back to back. No follow only say I don't teach you. Keep the rehearse am. Rehearse this thing where make it become part of you. Find question on this type of thing, begin to solve. Now we don't sabi am, go find physics textbook, find vector, find question on am, begin to solve. Now so you go take sabi book. I don't go.